Hello, my name is Darin Saleh. I'm an MBA 593. Um, I will start now. In last 4 weeks, I posted 4 blogs. On October 28, I posted a blog that has title 7 Digital Marketing Benefits. This blog got 2-page reviews. Second blog was posted on October 29 under title 13 Food That Could Lower Your Risk of Cancer. This one got 77-page reviews. The third blog has 4 reviews, was posted on November 6. It's titled Tumor Freezing and has 13-page reviews. In the beginning of this week, I posted the 4th blog under title Health Benefits of Broccoli. This one has 5-page reviews. You will see here, Tumor Freezing has 13 page reviews, 13 Food That Could Lower Your Risk of Cancer, 77 page reviews, and Health Benefit of Broccoli, 5 reviews, and 7 Digital Marketing Benefits has 2 reviews. The purpose of creating the blogger and posting a weekly post is to know who will visit my page and the device that they use during the search, access, read, and how they interact with the content of the post. Here you will see 129. I got 129 page reviews from United States, and I got 4 page reviews from United Emirates and 1 page reviews or page review from France. And here we can see the device that my user or the user of the blog use it during the search, and how they get into my blog. For example, 66 use iPhone, 38 use Windows, and iPad 2, Android 1. How look here, I put bigger screenshot for you to can see the numbers. I choose 13 food that could lower your risk of cancer because it had the biggest viewing rate, and the subject is very important to me as a cancer patient or to anyone who is looking for and interested in a healthy lifestyle. From 2 days ago, I connected Google Analytics with Google Blogger. I think that's why I get only the number of, specific number of recent visits that are happening in the last 2 days. Look here, on November 17th, only I got here, on Google Analytics, 7 users visited my blog and 1 user on November 16. I try in this presentation to give you idea about what happened in the last 4 weeks with my blogs and how with my blog and how contact the Google Analytics with Google Blogger, and the result I have it from 2 days ago when I contact between Google Blogger and Google Analytics. Thank you very much.